Have you ever wondered how to start trading in cryptocurrency? It may seem like a complex world, but with the right steps, anyone can become part of this digital revolution. First off, what is cryptocurrency? It's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Step one in your journey is to educate yourself. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly evolving field with its own unique language and concepts. Understanding terms like blockchain, mining, and wallets is crucial. There are many resources available online, including blogs, podcasts, and forums where you can learn from experts in the field. Step two is to choose the right cryptocurrency exchange. This is the platform where you'll buy, sell, and hold your cryptocurrency. Some factors to consider when choosing an exchange include security features, user interface, fees, and the types of cryptocurrencies available. Step three involves setting up a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your cryptocurrency. There are many types of wallets, including online wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Each has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best suits your needs. Step four is to start buying and selling. This is where the real fun begins. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more confident. It's also important to stay informed about market trends and news that could affect the value of your investments. Finally, step five is to keep learning. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments. Subscribing to newsletters, joining online communities, and attending webinars are all great ways to continue your education. In summary, starting to trade in cryptocurrency involves educating yourself about the field, choosing the right exchange and digital wallet, starting to buy and sell, and continually learning about new developments. It may seem daunting at first, but with time and patience, you'll be navigating the world of cryptocurrency like a pro.